Hello everyone, I'm Guru Prasad. Today we are going to explaining about some of the most important topics related to Unix systems. So the command arguments and the options in the Unix systems. So in this presentation, we will help you understand how to effectively leverage these tools to enhance your command line interactions. We will explore the syntax types and the best practices for utilizing these powerful features to streamline your workflow and unlock the full potential of the Unix systems. So let's begin the video. So what are the command arguments and options? The command arguments are the additional pieces of the information that are passed to a command to specify the what should be operate on. These arguments are typically values or the file names that our command will be used to perform its task. And the command options are also known as flags. So we'll use it as a like hyphens. So are specific modifiers that provide the instructions to command. They are typically preceded by the hyphen or the two hyphens can be used to alter the command's behavior, such as specifying output formats, enabling specific features. So syntax of the command and argument options are command options, command arguments. Command name, the first part of the command is the name command itself, such as ls for the listing all the files and grep for searching the text. And option command options are follow the command name and typically preceded by hyphens. For example, hyphen L, ls hyphen L stands for long listing, providing the more detailed information about the files. And the command arguments are the values for the file names that will be provided the command will operates on. They are placed after any options that provide the necessary data for the command to execute its task. So these are all the syntax for the command arguments and options. So the next one is the mandatory and optional arguments. The mandatory arguments are the required to command function properly. Without these arguments, the command will be either fail or produce the unexpected results. For example, CP, that means copy. Command for copying the file requires the both source and the destination path. And optional arguments are the not essential for command to work. They provide additional information or modify the command's behavior. These arguments are often used to customize the output or provide the specific instructions for the command to follow. So the next one is the short and short versus long options. The short options are the typically single letters preceded by a single hyphen. For example, single hyphen L in ls single hyphen L is short option. They are usually designed to concise and easy to type. Long options are the longer Options are the longer and descriptive names are that are preceded by the two hyphens. For example, help hyphen help is a long option. They are more explicit and often provide a more detailed explanation about the option's purpose. So the combining the multiple options, the single hyphen, comma separation, and space separation. The single hyphen is the multiple short options can be combined together by listing them after a single hyphen. For example, ls hyphen la is equivalent to the ls hyphen l hyphen a. The comma separation is multiple short options can be also combined by separating them with the commas. For example, ls hyphen la is equal to the ls hyphen l hyphen a. Space separation is the multiple long operations options can be combined by separating them with spaces. For example, ls hyphen hyphen help hyphen version is equal to the ls hyphen help hyphen version. So this is used for the checking the version of the softwares. So the next one is the example command for the arguments and options. ls grep ls is the filing all the arguments or the file names or the directory paths, and these are all the options which are available to ls, and grep is to search the text or the pattern. So these are all the options. And a cp is source file or the directory, destination file or the directory, which means we need the both source file and the destination file to copy the files. So options are available is recursive, force override, and interactive. So the best practices using the command arguments and options are read the manuals, use the descriptive long options, and avoid the unnecessary options. And the final summary and the key takeaways are the command arguments and options are a powerful tools that allow you to tailor and behavior the Unix commands. By understanding their syntax types and the best practices, you can leverage these tools to enhance your command line interactions and streamline your workflow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please like, share, subscribe the video as much as possible. So thank you all.